Whether you are now investing in cryptocurrency or if you ever wanted to participate in it, it is important that you have adequate knowledge of how it works and that you can make correct predictions in order to protect yourself from financial losses. Upon this, when you know exactly how crypto works and even how you can trade it, you can make a lot of money from it. Thankfully, Crypto Academy is here to help you. The Crypto Academy has put together a lot of videos that contain educational courses to help you understand digital money thoroughly. Cryptocurrency can be confusing, and it's important to understand how it works. This, in order to answer your questions and worries, as well as plan your next move to prevent losing money or being confused. Enrolling in Crypto Academy brings you a lot of benefits. Not only will it provide you with extensive knowledge and ideas about crypto, but you can also apply those in real-life situations and be your own teacher soon. But you know what the most important thing is? If you enroll now, you will have lifetime access to all the videos. Yes, you heard it right, a lifetime access. And not just that, the people who put together the course are still studying and doing research to update you every time. In 2022, investing in cryptocurrencies has the potential to make you extremely wealthy, but it also has the potential to make you lose everything. The danger of investing in cryptocurrencies is weighed against the possible rewards. If you want to have direct exposure to the demand for digital currency, investing in cryptocurrency is an excellent idea. There will always be risks in trading. There will come a time when you lose your investment and feel like you've run out of hope. But that's perfectly normal. Of course, when you're investing, you will always expect something in return. But before investing in something, you should always consider your ROI, return on investment. As a matter of fact, the best investment you can make right now is in yourself. Make the investment to acquire adequate and suitable knowledge. That way, you will be confident enough to invest in something bigger, knowing that you already have the expertise, something that can bring you way bigger returns. For only $299, you'll get to enjoy all of those stated benefits for life. What are you waiting for? Enroll now. Make your investment worthy. Join the Crypto Academy. Link will be in the description below.